Yo, red dad, blue dad, I'm making that paper. Red dad, blue dad, I'm making that paper. Yo, red dad, blue dad, I'm making that. How about you? I'm trying to fight this rock, bro. Yeah, no, I won't lose. How about you? Stick to the script, yeah, bro. Yeah, just like you.
Family peace, family peace. This your brother Red Dad, Blue Dad, aka Financial Freedom Fighter, aka Time Clock Smash. Guess what, family? I'm back at it again. Peace, family. I got some good information to talk to you about. 2 projects that I believe, if you got eyes to see and ears to listen, it'll make you very well off in this wealth war if you can catch it in the right place at the right time. But before I start this podcast, I gotta talk about my boy Thorough HD from the Red Dad Blue Dad community, family. If you don't know about Thorough HD, you need to learn about Thorough HD. Brothers like this is the real reason why I'm so happy that I believe and know in communities. Communities is unity, man. So this on the behalf of Thorough HD and Red Dad Blue Dad with this project that I'm going to talk about today, as long as you got eyes to see and ears to listen. But here's my boy Thorough HD. Appreciation to you, brother.
I seen that before. I seen
You did it before.
yeah, I seen when Bitcoin go from $2,000 up to 20 grand and then drop back down to 1,500. I seen XRP go to 350 and drop back down to 21 cents. I seen Ether hit a high at the time of like $2,000, $3,000 and drop back down to $200. So
yes, sir.
I've seen all of that stuff and I've experienced it and I held all through it. But it wasn't until maybe 2 years in, you know what I'm saying, when it started to make sense to me.
Okay.
When I really caught a grasp of, okay, this shit get up here, you might need to get off, take a few profits, you know what I'm saying, and get off. And the first coin that I really hit on that made me some good money, probably, I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it was called OMG. Oh my God.
Oh, they came to coin.
I'm going to stop it right there, family. Excuse me for my mic. I'm going to stop it right there, family. If you want to know more about this, y'all got to tune in to Crypto Real Talk with Thorough HD and Red Dad Blue Dad. That was episode 1. I think it's some perfect timing. I think my boy Thorough HD was going through a move. So we back on time, man. We finna start these episodes back up with Crypto Red Dad Blue Dad Talk. But until then, in the description, go subscribe to my boy Thorough HD YouTube channel. It is Thorough-nomics. And it will be in the descriptions, but I don't want to waste your time. Let's get into this science, baby. Let's get it. All right. You know I got to get my disclosure. I got to give it, family. Some of these projects I talk about can make you a shiro. It can make you a hero. But best believe it can make you a zero as well, family. Anytime you take money out your pocket, just a chance that you take, family. Not financial advice, family. I'm just a drill sergeant here in this wealth war, and I got to bring that energy, family. I know I got a lot of new subscribers, so shout out to my new subscribers. Shout out to all the families I'm a part of. Shout out to everybody that show your boy Red Dad, Blue Dad some support. Shout out to everybody that purchased my Crypto Red Dad, Blue Dad 101 book. Shout out to everybody that shot me something in the cash out. But to my new listeners, I just want y'all to understand, why do I go by Red Dad, Blue Dad? Okay, Red Dad, Blue Dad is two mindsets, family. It's 2 different programmings. Of how you being raised or brought up until where you at today. Understand what label do you place yourself. I say the Red Dad is information. Okay. Information, get informed. That's military. Okay. That's just training your brain to be ready for a war like the wealth war we in. Okay. Knowledge, know thy land. Knowledge, know thy land. Cryptocurrency have ledgers, land. So have knowledge in this world that we in, where we headed, family. Whether it's crypto.com, boom. Whether it's the first revolution, second revolution, third revolution. Now we're in the 4th industrial revolution. So have knowledge. And what do you do in these type of times? And how you protect yourself by investing into what? Protecting yourself outside of this failing dollar. The dollar's dying. The death of the dollar, family. So any assets outside of the dollar is stronger than a dollar. Why do you think the gas prices is high? It's because the dollar is weak. Family, have eyes to see and ears to listen. And the Blue Dad believes in that institution, family. You already know institutions, what it is, school. They put you in a room, they lock the doors, church, put you in a teacher program, they program you. All that stuff. An institution go with education. So it's about education. The same things as institutions. No different. There's no difference between the 2, family. They're controlling you. So make sure you have your eyes to see and ears to listen. and they don't teach you, and they teach you how to spend. Everything is spending. Everything is advertisement. Everything is sold to you, family. You don't know. They don't teach you how to invest. They don't teach you interest rates. They don't teach you APYs. They don't teach you yields, family. Yield on your money. Okay, they just show you how to spend your money. And let's get into this science, man. Okay, so that's just a little bit about the red dad, blue dad, man. You're gonna make me go in on this thing, and this ain't what it's about. So I'm here. I ain't got much time. I'm just here to change your mind about these cryptos. So let's talk about the first one. It's a collaboration with one called Naos Finance and Tidal. So today we're gonna go over the I think I'm pronouncing it right, Naos or something like that. Okay. Now what they're doing, family, this is huge. This is very huge. I'm not the content creator that's gonna sit here and talk about one crypto when there's thousands of cryptos that can make you wealthy. We here to create wealth, man, not just one crypto. Okay, if you put all your eggs in one basket, family, there's a good chance a few of them eggs gonna break enough, but hopefully you make it. But these type of cryptos right here, family, is the hidden gems. Okay, you gotta have eyes to see and ears to listen without giving you financial advice. Okay, make sure you do your own research. Okay, now, family, you know, I want you to understand. Okay, this token or this financial instrument, this fintech, is building a financial metaverse. It's going to connect DeFi, which is decentralized financing, and CeFi, centralized finance, the regular banks to gangsters you're used to now. Okay, they're going to connect them together. All right, so let's go into the science on how they're going to do it. Okay, and it's also collaboration with another crypto called Tidal. Okay, so let's go into a short article that they have on media. So sit back and listen, family. So now we on this roadmap. We're gonna sit here and let it read along, and then I'm gonna go after that. So let's go. It's supposed to let me read it. It's going slow. Let's see. All right, here we go. Let's sit back and listen.
Naos Finance, a new product roadmap. While the market suffers from recent economic and regulatory uncertainties, the Naos team has never skipped a step forward and continues to build and optimize. In a business model that deals with SaFi, one size does not fit all. The mainnet launch of Formation and Galaxy marks the beginning of the journey. With that in mind, we're pleased to share the rationale for our latest product roadmap. Q1/2022. Launch Alpha Pool and RWA Insurance Partnership. Launch Alpha Pro, stable yield solution. With the launch of Alpha Pool, we will provide borrowers with different options for yields within the same RWA pool. Alpha Pro differentiates from Alpha Pool in that the yields are in stable coins. Alpha Pro serves as a money market product for institutions and retail lenders, ensuring the yields are fixed and immune to market volatilities. In addition to our native beta insurance pool, we will integrate with other DeFi insurance protocols to provide coverage for the lending capital. Q2/2022. Launch Corporate Treasury Management Program. Liquidity Partnerships. The Corporate Treasury Management Program is an operational initiative built on top of Alpha Pro. We will tailor the program for the needs of projects and institutions, providing them with an alternative to Compound and Aave as a secured destination to park their treasuries for competitive yields. We will simultaneously form strategic partnerships to expand liquidity access. Q3/2022. Support multi-currency, USDC/USDT, for Alpha Pool. Launch Naos Bond Program. We're currently supporting DAI, ETH Network, and BUST, BNB Chain. It's critical that we provide lenders with the options to invest in other coins such as USDT, USDC and Algo stables. We will also explore suitable hedging strategies allowing Naos to accept ETH, BNB and BTC as lending capital. The Naos Bond Program is an initiative inspired by Olympus, allowing us to offer Naos tokens at a discount in exchange for liquidity provider LP tokens. Q4/2022. Launch Alpha Index Pool. Support additional asset classes as collaterals. Cross-chain deployments. The Alpha Index Pool takes a mutual fund approach by aggregating all available Alpha Pools on Galaxy. Lenders will be able to further diversify their portfolio with Naos and receive a blended interest rate. It provides an economical solution to access Naos Global RWA with a single click. We'll look to expand the supported asset classes as collaterals. The focus will be providing lenders with intuitive and transparent ways to assess risks. Q1/2023. Alpha Token Liquidity Partnerships. Launch Naos Governance Framework. Launch Permissionless Alpha Pool Framework. We'll look to provide lenders in the alpha pools with access to additional liquidities. Holders of the alpha tokens, as proof of ownership in the alpha pools, will be able to collateralize them for liquidity. Transforming Naos into a community-governed protocol has always been our top priority. We will take all necessary steps to decentralize the processes of asset onboarding and risk assessment. About Naos Finance. Naos Finance is a decentralized real-world asset RWA lending protocol that facilitates the borrowing of crypto-native assets by using RWA as collateral. Naos has established a large network of corporate borrowers and is operating with financing licenses in multiple regions. In the effort of connecting SafeFi with DeFi, Naos takes an ecosystem approach and looks to engage in meaningful strategic partnerships to expand the boundary of decentralized finance. Medium, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Reddit, YouTube.
You just heard it from the up-to-date roadmap, okay? They are merging the DeFi and CeFi, okay, for real-world assets. So family, I don't know if you even understand how big that is. So that's why I'm here as a content creator, as an educator, is to bring this to you. That's why I don't talk about one crypto every single time, family. You're going to miss out on a lot of fortune out here in this crypto space. And your boy REDDADBLUEDAD don't want to see that happen to his family, man. For those who got eyes to see and ears to listen also. So let's go into this, man. Let your boy REDDADBLUEDAD help y'all understand that. Help y'all understand this, man, because we got to build back better. We need to becoming broad-minded business-like so we can understand and take back what's ours. So basically, it's a DeFi lending of real-world assets, family. It's all about lending. It's all about finance, okay? This is what vast majority of fintech is about, okay? So their protocol is to lend. It has the money in his hand, and it's competitive yield, income generating real-world financial assets, okay? Now, borrowing. Here's the coins. Access to the best interest rate, large global lending communities. And then automation. Okay, this is what this stuff is all about. This is what Web3 is about. This is what the new fintech financial system, financial banking is about. Pay down in some type of stable coin loan. Okay, through yield strategies automatically over time. Governance, of course, you got to have governance, assets aboard, interest rate, distribution, and products features. Now, here's the potential. Now, we have to understand there's a credit gap, which is 3.5 trillion, and there's a global financial gap, okay, which is 2.5 million. So that's what they want to merge together, all on one platform, family. That's a total of $6 trillion, family. You gotta understand. You gotta understand that, family. That's why your boy REDDADBLUEDAD is raising this project awareness, man. Shout out Thorough HD again, okay? So that's basically what all it talked about in that media link that we heard from the automatic reader. And this is just kind of the world assets where they're gonna connect it with the liquidities, the NFTs, the stable coins, and the yields. That's all this is, family. Don't let that confuse you. Like Bob Marley said, don't let them confuse you. All the lending partners. And I'm not going to make this video long. We're going to go to one of the strategy partners, which is, we know the big shots. We know Maker. We know Chainlink. We know they're already doing their thing. And here they are. It's called Tidal, family. So that's why I want to collaborate with Tidal. So let's get on this Tidal train. Let's go. Family. And the next one we want to talk about is Tidal. It's a higher yield protocol insurance. Okay. All this stuff need insurance. That's just the way it is. We can't get around insurance. But it earns higher yield while securing and ensuring the DeFi and blockchain economy, family. So this is that relationship that Naos or something, however you pronounce it, has with Tidal. So Tidal is the insurance, and this is basically what insurances can do. Okay, it's the max APR, reserve size, capital efficiency 7 times. I'm not sure what all that means, but basically, it's banking. It's the yield. That's when you go to these things and they be all offering like let's say VVS systems offer so much yield, so much yield. So this is what Tidal is. Tidal would allow the blockchains to create these high yield leverages definitely in the DeFi, because DeFi give way more yield, annual yield percentage than what centralized does. When your centralized banks only give like 0.001, and that probably most aggressive one. So this is the insurance between in the DeFi world. So this is what Tidal does. Okay, so it's high yield, leverage to earn, custable to switch your plan to at ease. Okay, competitive market, flexible rate, subscription plan, stake, support, and earn. Okay, together we make DeFi safe. So that is so this is what insures up. And so what we want to talk about today is the collaboration between them, and it should be here. Where is it? I guess according to this, it doesn't make them a partner yet, but on Naos, it said that they are partners. So here it is here. Yeah. Now, the latest news with when they come to collab together. So we're going to listen to an audio article that's on medium.com. So let's listen to that. We're going to listen to this Naos Finance and Tidal Finance collaboration to ensure lenders for the real world assets loan. Remember, family, they trying to merge DeFi and merge CeFi, okay? That is decentralized and centralized finance together via Naos and Tidal Finance, family. So let's listen to this article.
Naos Finance and Tidal Finance collaborate to ensure lenders for real-world asset loans. Dear community, following the previous strategic collaboration with Naos, we are thrilled to bring on a new type of insurance policy, also the first in the space, onto the platform, real-world asset loan insurance. Policy is underwritten in joint effort with Naos to cover $100,000 for lenders' loss in case of the borrower's default, with Naos's insurance beta pool covering another $100,000. It is the first case to apply DeFi insurance with real-world assets loans, and an important step to expand the DeFi insurance horizon beyond smart contract coverage. Lender and borrower's information, payment history, are also being brought on-chain to make such insurance cases feasible with policy verification and claim process. In this particular case, Company A is borrowing $3 million from the lender, the Naos lending pool, with a 10% annual interest rate. Tidal will cover up to $100,000 out of the $3 million, and Naos beta pool will cover another $100,000. The annual
I want to make sure my audio right. But family, I want to stop it right there. So basically, what I'm getting is that it's just one is liquidity. Naos is more the liquidity, and Tidal is insurance. So it looks like one, they both kind of do some of the same thing. So it's kind of like they're just teaming up to make one, to make sure they have enough liquidity between DeFi and CeFi in order to bring them together, family. And it's over this $6 trillion market that they're trying to collaborate. So that's pretty bullish. Let's finish listening.
Premium of insurance is 3%. Naos coverage pool is currently open for deposit. Policy will become effective on March 27th as well as the
policy will be effective of March 27th of 2022, family. Put that on your calendar. This will be effective. The Naos coverage pool is currently open for deposit. Policy will be effective on March 27th of 2022, family. So we'll cross our fingers on that. Make sure you got eyes to seeing ears to listen. Let's keep rocking.
USDC deposit earnings. In the case of default, when the non-payment amount is over the default threshold, the default will be triggered and the amount of loss will be calculated to disclose to both Tidal and Naos community. We truly believe this is an important milestone for DeFi insurance by expanding our use case into the real world. There are trillions of business loans being covered by traditional insurance, and risks are well quantified with historical data. With Web3's adoption, the insurance use case will continue to expand and evolve.
Wow, family, this is huge. This is huge, family. I don't know if y'all know something about Euros Finance. Let's go to Euros Finance. Let's go to that real quick. Here's the thing, family. While they keep showing Bitcoin, as the world leading crypto and being the first crypto. And yes, it is. I can't take nothing away from it. But then there's other things behind the curtain that's really pumping. You know what I'm saying? And what we don't know is something called Urine Finance came. I remember when it came to Coinbase, it was only trading like a few dollars. The next thing you know, in a few weeks to a couple of months, that thing was trading over $20-some thousand. So whoever had eyes to see and ears to listen rode that rave way up, and they also rode it way down because it had a hell of a pullback. So it was a very unique token. I think it went as high as, make sure I'm on the right one. Yours Finance. Yeah, Yours Finance. I think the all-time high, let me make sure it's right. I think it went to, how much did it go to? Where is it? Yours Finance. More information. Let me see. Make sure I'm looking at this right. But if I'm not mistaken, this token went up to like 90,000. Yes, here it is there. Yeah, okay. Now, it's a weird token. Okay, the market cap is 711 million. Okay. But let's just get to its 115th by market cap rank. Now, of May 12, 2021 of last year, it went all the way up to $90,000 per crypto. Okay. And the lowest of all time was when it hit Coinbase. Like I said, it was only like $30-some, $31.65, family. While we worrying about Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is doing, what Ethereum is doing, what XRP is doing, all these other distraction tokens. Now, don't get me wrong with none of them. I'm not saying I'm not talking down on them. There's something that's backdooring us because we don't have eyes to see and ears to listen. That goes from $31 of July 18th, 2020 to $90,000 May 12th of 2021, family. I don't understand that some of these content creators have been in the game a while. Why are they talking about one crypto? Maybe they're getting paid to talk about it. With all due respect, much love to them. But me, I'm not going to talk about one crypto because it ain't about one crypto. It might be a new one world order, but it's different things within that order to make the one world work. And your boy REDDADBLUEDAD got eyes to see and ears to listen. So here it is, family, where it's only 35,000. Let's go back up to here. Now, I'm not telling anyone to purchase this crypto. It's not financial advice, but I'm just telling you about the yearn. Something about this yearn, these finance tokens, family, they are sleepers. Okay? They are sleepers, and they ain't going to educate us on this. And it's something that if you don't really know finances, you really ain't going to know nothing about these tokens. But if you know crypto, you'll know about these tokens. So into circulation, family, this is a little bit amount. It's only 35,692 with a total of 36,666. Wow, some magic numbers, huh? That's all was ever made was 36,000 tokens. That's all that was ever made, family. So if you got eyes to see and ears to listen, this yearn financing tokens will be bigger than coins. Okay, you got coins, you got tokens, and you got finance. Okay, NFTs and all the other stuff. But the big money tokens, family, if you got eyes to see and ears to listen, will be finance crypto. Finance crypto will be the money cryptos. That's the huge. Whether the tokens do good or not, because it's what's going to connect it all, family. It's what's going to connect it all. So let's go to the price action of Naos. A little tokenomics on the Naos Finance, like Naos Tidal, so I guess it's Naos. Okay, make sure I'm saying it right. Okay, it's ranked like 1142. Who cares about it? Don't look at that. Look at this price. Okay, yeah, 15 cents. Your boy REDDADBLUEDAD give that maybe like a 8 out of 10 price entry point. That's still a good price entry point. Don't get me wrong. 15 cents. That's still like a few of them in $1. You still can get quite a bit for $1. So, family, you gotta have eyes to see and ears to listen. Okay. Now this market cap is only not even 10 million. Okay. The total circulation, total supply is only 214 million. Okay, that is not a lot of tokens. That's not a lot of tokens. What if they do a burn? Not to say that they'll do a burn, but, you know, now you're talking about that price entry point. Now you're talking about being listed on other big time platforms, KuCoin or Coinbase, Crypto.com. I don't even think it's even there yet, family. I don't even think it's even on those platforms yet. So let's go to the let's go to the all-time highs. Okay. Now, just 4 days ago, it hit its all-time low of about 11 cents, almost 12 cents, family, of March 15th, a few days ago, about 5 days ago. Okay. I got in right after that. Shout out to Thero HD. He put it on my radar. I got in right there. To me, family, not financial advice. This is you gotta have eyes to see and ears to listen. Okay. Now, 10 months ago of May 13th of 2021, it hit $3.44. Okay. Now, what I'm saying is, family, this is not a 100 billion token. It's not a 50 billion token. It's not a 1 billion token. This token is in the millions. What token you know that's in the millions don't trade more than at least $5 and up, family? Gotta have eyes to see and ears to listen. So with this token and this collaboration, and let's go to let's see what platforms it's trading on. Let's see, I don't think it's on. I think it's on. I know it's on Big True. It's on Big True for sure. I think it's okay. Coin market cap. Okay, it's on eToro. No, that's not. I'm sorry. Uniswap, Mexico, Gate.io, Big True, and Gate.io. So, family, when you see that thing come on KuCoin, you know that's a new high or low. It's some volume and it's some of everything coming to this token, family. It did it on these exchanges. So imagine KuCoin, imagine Coinbase, imagine Crypto.com, imagine those other Kraken and the other big exchanges, family. Your boy REDDADBLUEDAD ain't here to talk about one crypto every single day. When I first got into the game, all I did was listen to XRP, XLM. Then I realized, damn, man, I'm crazy. I just listen to one thing every day. Come on, man. There's more stuff out there, family. These are the stuff that ain't gonna just hop in your lap. Gotta have eyes to see and ears to listen. So let's go to the price action of Tidal, and we're gonna end this video. Finance, crypto, Tidal Finance. It ranks 1427. Don't let that fool you. Okay. Now, their market cap is only 5 million. Oh my goodness. Man, you talking about a jackpot. Family, these are jackpot tokens, man. Now, the total supply of this is that billion? That can't be billion. 0, 0, 0. So this one is 19 billion. Okay. Okay, now this one 19 billion. What is trading at? Okay, 19 billion. That ain't that bad. Okay, well, it give you an idea of like, your XRP is 100 billion, your Stellar Lumens 50 million. So this is a 19 billion token. So I'm not sure what the price action will be. We can check it out, but it'll be soon. For a fact, it's soon to hit pennies. Not knowing when though, but you gotta have eyes to see and ears to listen. So let's see this all time. So 9 months ago, it was nothing. July 21st, it was nothing. It was zero. It was trading at zeros, and then it hit an all-time high of 5 cents 12 months ago, March 25th, 2021. Now, family. They got the collaboration where they're gonna do something on the 27th. So have eyes to see and ears to listen of this month. So that's in 2 days. That's in 7 days. And its all-time high was March 25th. I'm not connecting no dots or anything like that, but I'm just trying to give you eyes to see and ears to listen, family. Your boy REDDADBLUEDAD ain't here to talk about one crypto. I'm here to talk about the cryptos that can make you knock your time clock off the wall, family. all these cryptos, and this one on KuCoin, so that's good. It's probably why I hit that 5 cent. Okay, Gay.io, other raggedy exchanges I don't use. You already know Uniswap is the worst for Ethereum. You'll pay more for the principal. You'll pay more for the interest than the principal. So I don't suggest you use that. And that's not financial advice, family. Family, the reason why I'm talking about these tokens, first of all, is the market cap. It's the amount of tokens that's in supply. Okay? It's not many. No, it's like 100 trillion and all them other quadrillion tokens. It's the price entry point. Now, this price entry point of Tidal, you definitely got to give it, your REDDAD, BlueDad, get us a 10 out of 10. Okay? 19 billion is only trading at not even 12/10 of a penny. You know what I'm saying? So where you spend $1,284 and 69 cents, it gets you 1 million tokens, family. So these type of things, you got to have eyes to see and ears to listen, family. All they need to do is a test run, a test run of these two on March 27th. If they just do a little utility on that, family. And let's do one more thing. I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna go over. I know this video over 30 minutes, but it's hard. It's hard not to give real information, man. When this stuff makes sense. Let's go over this light paper of Tidal, okay? And I'm gonna end this thing. So the reason why I say it is because Tidal, it's not no rinky-dink a financial token, family, crypto. Okay, so it's in bed with a lot of big guys, and we got to understand the collaboration of big guys. Okay, so let's just go over Tidal protocol advantages implemented on Polkadot. Includes full operability. Family, you know about the word operability. Polkadot unique architect allows different diverse concept protocols and open and closed network to achieve interoperability to allow Tidal protocol to use provided coverage to wide ranges of DeFi assets, possible a different L1 network, as well as a potential interface of centralized finance networks such as banks and other market to participate with who might need insurance products. So this is your insurance for your CFI, the centralized banks, family. Have eyes to see and ears to listen. Transaction scalable, high throughput. Polkadot is built to be highly scalable from the ground up. Compared to the first generation of smart contract platform, Ethereum 1.0 has experienced several networks congestion issues, causing such security vulnerability, irregular market behavior. Explicit finality security. Polkadot is the proof concept of the grandfather of finalizing overlay to provide exclusive finality and secure robust consumption mechanism that's variable to 51% of tax. For Tidal has a split finality rather than these big words. The probabilistic finality to implement the importance of insurance transactions to require explicitly to confirm the transaction and settlement for legality reasons. Man, what a tongue-tied paragraph. I hope you guys get this. So, and then it can go on. This is from the white paper, but I just wanted to let your family know that it's connected to Polkadot. Shout out to Gavin Woods. He's one of the creators of Ethereum. He's the creator of Polkadot and a lot of other stuff. So Gavin Woods know how to survive in the Web3 and the fourth industrial revolution. If you got eyes to see and ears to listen, you're going to rock with this Tidal finances, family. Bottom line, your boy REDDAD BlueDad, I ain't here to waste your time. I'm here to change your mind. If you like my content, family, smash the like button, share it out. If you want to support my channel, I have the crypto, REDDAD BlueDad Crypto Book 101. Buy it for yourself. Buy it for your family. It's a very easy read from your little small children to your elderly adults in your family, baby. If you want to show some support, baby, I got merch coming soon. Kings and Queens Empowerment merch, man. Very, very bullish merch coming soon, baby. It's going to be in the descriptions. If you want to show love on the Cash App, Crypto REDDAD BlueDad, Cash App your boy. Make some donations to the channel. If you got eyes to see and ears to listen, I will continue to bring you these gems, family. that can possibly knock your time clock off the wall, and that can possibly keep you from being enslaved to your own job. If you own your own business, if you own your own business, you're just enslaved to yourself, baby. It's time to chillax, man. This been your boy Red Dad Blue Dad Breakthrough. Peace.